You will now be at the Welcome to Telair UCme screen. You will have been supplied with a username and password. If you haven't received these, please reach out to your service delivery manager. I'll enter my details here. I'll have UCme remember my sign-in information, sign in automatically, and it's preference if you want to minimize to the system tray or sign in as invisible to anybody within your system. I suggest keeping these off, but it's completely preference. You may get a message about call recording. Please accept that warning and just hit yes.